this holy month of Ramadan, we have started a new initiative. It's called TBO Care. And in that, we are associated with Aster and TBO. And we are taking this initiative by coming down to the agent partners and having set up a counter where they can do a free checkup.
Very good initiative. I found out my eyesight has changes. I need to change my specs. Really wonderful initiative from Aster and TBO.
Is something that most of us tend to ignore. TBO, under their TBO Care initiative, has partnered with Aster Opticals to make sure that we take care of travel partners. Most of the times spend their time in front of a screen.
What we are looking forward to is creating awareness amongst people, and what better way to do it during the holy month of Ramadan. This is a month where we can give back to the society, and what I'm happy is that TBO Eyecare Initiatives has partnered with us, where we are doing eye screenings in the offices of many of the partners. Along with whosoever wants to come to us, we are offering free eye checkup to them, along with various host of services as well as counseling, which you look forward to.
مبادرة رائعة للموظفين والعملاء. حبيت الشركة أنها اهتمت فينا إحنا الموظفين، تقريبا حوالي 50 موظف وموظفة لحد الآن تم فحص أعينهم بشركة ومكتب TBO. مبادرة جميلة بشهر رمضان الفضيل. شكرا TBO، شكرا أستر، شكرا دكتورة مريم for having us today.
Hello TBO team. On behalf of the Kano travel members, I want to thank you. You guys have been a long-standing partners for a number of years, and today's initiative towards eye care of our human assets is a great deal of importance for us, and we thank you for that.